Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see HTML program. Under the HTML program we'll see order list and order list. So first I'll open notepad. Okay, then you start writing program here. So I have all basic videos already given in the description, you can be watch. Okay, so you can be, so who are the beginners, who are the beginners, you can be start. So already given from font styles to image editing, okay, image inserting. So today we'll see one order list and unorder list, how to make in HTML program. See, today we'll see one order list I'll make. So I'll type here title, order and unorder list. Okay, so you can be keep any title, order and unorder list. Okay, then I'll be close here title. Okay, this is my title, I will close here. And next I will start my body. Okay, I have to start body. Okay, I'll start body. Okay, under the body what I want to write here, I want to write first is order list. I'll type here order list. Okay, then I want to be write here, I want to take one line gap, so I have to write here br means what, break line. Okay, when you want the line is break, you can be use. Okay, then for if you want to write order list, you have to start with o tag ol. Order means order list. Okay, again I'll type here li means list, li means list, li1 I'll write here Rahul. Okay, again you can do continue also, you can be take break also. I'll type here li, again I'll write here Mohit. Okay, next li list, I'll write Vivek. So next again li, so I'll take four names, it will be at least will come Vivek, and I'll make here Guru. So these are four names I have taken. Okay, then I have to be close here head. I'll keep last because I have to show another list also. I keep last, as well as I have to be close the body for making you to be understand. First I'll be close here body, you can see here I have to put slash. Okay, whichever tags you have open, you have to be close compulsory. Okay, if you not close, the program will not be execute. Okay, now you can see ol I did not close here, order list I opened here, but I did not close. I'll make you like this, it is separate because you can understand easily. So I'll be close here, just you can be copy paste and close the ol. Before body I had to close because before I start the body. I'll paste here, I want to close here ol. So this is order list I made. So first I'll be save here, I'll go for save as or save, and there I'll write here ol dot html. You know that how we have to convert HTML as a notepad, and click OK. Then you should be know your location where you have saved. Okay, I think your program is wrong. See this, what head should become first and after should come the HTML. So yeah, you should be taken this thing, otherwise what happened, program will be stuck. Okay, it will not be execute. Okay, just I'll go again my location where I have saved in PPT. Okay, here I'll be check my file where I have saved ol. So here is my, just I'll click here. So when I execute here, you can see this is order list, and names are coming orderly. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for order list. Same you want to make unordered list means there is no sequence. Okay, just the bullets will be available here. So you can see a same process I'll be do here. So same I'll be type. Okay, I will type the same. Okay, you can be see here order list is here. I will type here instead of order list, I will take here unordered list and order list. Okay, you can see here same I am doing. I am not doing any override. Order list. Okay, I have taken order list. Okay, then again I want to break one line, I want to break. Again I want to be go for list. Just I will be copy here for, otherwise I will write here, no problem. Then I will write for unordered list, as I have to be write here as I should be write here instead of ol I should be write here ul. Ul means unordered list. This is a tag, and next comes here li. Same names I will be type. Okay, I'll type Rahul. Okay, next li I will type here list. Mohit. Okay, then I'll be type here. Okay, then list Vivek. Okay, next I'll be type here again Guru. Okay, this is I am making in unorder list. Again I have to be close the tag of which unorder list. So I have closed here. You can see the program from upside. Wherever tags we open, we have to close. HTML we open, we close last. Head we open, we close. Title we close here. Order, okay, body we close at last here. So this is about the program we are writing. So okay, you can see here now how program will be execute. Okay, order list I can take here, this also, because you can understand properly. So this is the program we are written. So you can see here, this is we have order list and unorder list. Same I made here, instead of ul I made here ul, or just I'll be keep save, control s, or go to the save and click save. Then go to your file. This is my order file. Just I'll be click here. So you can see here now which are, you can see different order list is coming sequence 1 2 3 like this, and unorder list is coming with symbols and bondets. So this is the tag you have to use order and unorder list when you want to make in HTML program. I hope you are understand order and unorder list program. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe for